Hello everyone, this is Ayush in Soumya's Cooking Diary. So today we are going to a new place which is Maravante Beach and Murdeshwara Temple. I've heard that Maravante Beach is a very beautiful beach and Murdeshwara Temple is a very beautiful temple. There's a Shiva statue in Murdeshwara. The Shiva statue is the second tallest statue in the world. Before we begin, smash the subscribe button and click the notification button. You will be notified to watch billion posted videos like this.
Murdeshwara temple from Udupi is around 100 km. So we travel from our place, that is Udupi, via Brahmavar and then to Kundapura, and from Kundapura we have travelled to Maravante beach, which is around 30 minutes drive from Kundapura. So there we had a breakfast before we went to the beach, Maravante beach. We had breakfast and then we went to the Maravante beach. So this is the Maravante beach. It's a very beautiful beach, and you can see the beach on one side and the river on the other side. So this kind of beach I have never seen. This is the first time I'm going to this beach. It's a very beautiful beach, and we have spent some time here, say about half an hour, because we had to go to temple also, Murdeshwar temple. So we thought on the way while coming back we will again visit this beach. So we just had 30 minutes of playing time here. So kids love this beach a lot because it's a very clean beach. As you can see in this video, it's a very clean beach. So we went with our family there. We went with my sister-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, nephew and our family. So it was very nice. We enjoyed a lot there. So if you come to Udupi or Mangalore, please do visit Maravante beach and Murdeshwara temple. And after the Maravante beach visit, now we are going to Murdeshwara temple. So this is the Murdeshwara temple. So this Murdeshwara temple, there is a tallest gopura. As you can see here, this is the tallest gopura, which is 20-storied, 249 feet tall building. It is the tallest gopura in the world. Murdeshwara is the town in a Bhatkal taluk, and this town lies on the coast of Arabian Sea. So you can see water around, and there is a beach in Murdeshwara. So this is the Murdeshwara beach. Here in Murdeshwara beach we have this Lord Shiva statue, which is the second tallest statue in the world. So the best time to visit Murdeshwara is from October to February. So we have travelled during Christmas vacation. So as you all know that Mangalore Udupi is a very humid place. So I would suggest don't travel during summer. The winter season would be the best season. So October to February, anytime you can travel. It's the best season to travel. While coming back from the temple, we went again to Maravante beach, because Murdeshwara temple beach is not that clean compared to Maravante beach, and it was very crowded, the Murdeshwara temple beach. So that's the reason we came to Maravante beach again, and morning we just got 30 minutes of time to spend here. So we thought let's have a visit to beach, Maravante beach again. We had spent some time here. So we saw the sunset here in Maravante beach, and kids enjoyed a lot in water. So you all know that kids, whenever they go to beach, they just don't want to come home. So you can see the kids are continuously playing, and even if it is night, they don't want to go home. But since we had to drive back to Udupi, 6:37 we just left Maravante beach and we had to come back home. So it was a nice trip and everyone enjoyed a lot. Last year during same time we had been to Panambur beach during Christmas, and this time we have come to Maravante beach during Christmas. So I have even posted that Panambur beach video in this channel. So you can check Panambur beach in Soumya's Cooking Diary. So you can find the Panambur beach vlog in this channel. So whenever you come to Mangalore or Udupi, don't forget to see this Maravante beach or the Murdeshwara temple. And even in Mangalore there are a lot of places like Panambur beach, very famous beach, and you have a temple, very famous temple called Kudroli temple, Katil temple. So these temples are really beautiful. So if you come here, please do visit. And Mangalore and Udupi is especially famous for beaches and especially food. If you consider, it is famous for non-vegetarian food. Just try coming here and spend some time here. Hope you like this video. Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you. See you soon with a new video.